So I decided to do. Okay. So you guys, I decided to do this video. Why? Because I feel like crap. I'm yet to get used to this camera thing though, but I feel like crap. Look at my face. I don't even know. I know I've said this like 1,000 times. I don't even know if it's getting worse or better. And the heat is killing me. I don't know. Like this line of my neck, I think I'm beginning to have heat rashes. To be honest, I don't even know what to do again. I want to beg God. I want to cry to God to please come and help me. Cause today, like I started my class around 8, and throughout the class my head was just on the table because I felt so ugly. Like I was feeling too ugly. I don't know. I was just feeling so ugly this morning. I was feeling swollen. I was feeling ugly. I was it was not a good thing. I know I'm saying it was not even a good thing at all. I was feeling too ugly. And I'm even yet to I know I've had acne before. I know I've had this kind of annoying face before. But that was in secondary school when people don't really care about their looks because you're just a child. But now that I'm just having it again, it's like it's killing me. It's killing my confidence. It's killing everything I've built up. I don't want it to get to me, but it is what it is. And now this period, I'm also having exam. I'm also trying to get a 5.0, and then everything is just coming up on me. I've not done my seminar reports. I've started my project. I started my project last week, and it's continuing this week, and I think it will even reach next week during exam week. But I pray it does not reach next week. And I also have my industrial biochemistry assignment to do. I have my project chapter 1, though it's not a requirement now, but I can do it like later. Everything is just it's just like everything is just hitting me, like it's hitting hard. I don't even know where to start from. Like, okay, let me even tell you what also happened today. So today there's this one of my G's here, one of my friends, someone I considered close before, but I can't say if we are close again because we've really stopped communicating like that. So today I was coming out of a seminar, and I saw him coming into the place that we just left because he was going to use the class after that time. And then I told you this morning, so I was feeling like crap, yeah. So normally I would hug him, greet him, at least laugh small before I go. But today, what just happened? Guess what I did? I pinched him, and then I didn't even wait for him to see my face. And then I just walked, and I didn't even look back to wave at him because I felt so ugly today. I felt swollen. I feel like I'm getting fatter, and it doesn't even fit me at all. Like, see my face. There's a picture I took today. I was like, see my eye, see my face. See how burnt my skin looks. See how ugly I look. You should not even see me without this wig, because trust me, you actually drop your phone down. I know beauty is not everything, yeah, but there's this kind of, I don't know, this kind of extra confidence it gives to you. But knowing that, okay, you're not, I think what happened, I don't know, I was just looking at some of my pictures, and I'm like, when I had acne, around that July, August time, I prefer it to now. Because now, maybe if this thing, I pray it does not get to next year. If it should get to next year, I'll just die. What rubbish now? Ha! I reject it, I'll not die. But, it must not get to next year. Because This sun, look at my hair. Everything is looking fried. My face too is getting fried. It's getting brown. I'm even happy that I'm not even as black as I used to be when someone hits me. Hi. It's only God that can come to my aid, to be honest. It's only God that can come to my aid. I'm even thinking that, okay, maybe if I should lose weight, like if I should cut off like certain pounds, if I should lose. You see how ugly I looked when I did that? You don't even want to see under my jaw. I'm thinking if I should lose like I don't even know what I'm weighing now, but let's estimate what I'm going to be weighing to like 66 or 67. But I don't think I've ever passed 67. Only one time like that I reached 70. And I've never gone back to 70 after that. It was a holiday like that. I reached 70. So let's say I'm still around 67. If I should lose that 70 pounds or if I should lose like 7 kg or 9 kg and get into 58 and 60, I feel I'll prefer my body better. And you know the fun things that I've not been wearing tight, and because of that I think I'm actually getting fatter. Because of that my thighs have been rubbing like with this one. Hi, my thighs have been rubbing together. When I mean rubbing together, I mean on fire. Hi. God is forever good. Amen. I'm tired. You people, I am tired. Otisumi. My fan in this room is not even blowing well. And have I even reported it? Anyway, let me not say I've reported it. Like, imagine this fan is literally, let's say, at number 2 of normal. In fact, number 1 and number 2 of my class fan is higher than this, and the highest is number 5, and it's higher than this. Like, you know, empty barrels make the loudest noise. That's literally what this fan is. You're not blowing anything. Yeah, you are making so much noise, making people uncomfortable. What is your problem? Honestly, this fan is annoying me. Like, I really need to take care of what I'm thinking around this period, because everything is just hitting me from every angle. And on top of my face too, I'm beginning to lose that confidence I built in myself. Like, it's going. I can see it go, and I don't want it to leave, because once it should leave, after this acne has gone, to build it up again will be another different ball game. But I feel like if I should build up myself now while this acne is still here, when it should leave, I'll even be better. But I need God to do that. You guys should not even see my chest. See my chest. In fact, everything just vexing me. See my chest. Look at my face. See my chest. Can you imagine? Thank God it didn't even get to my back, because it went to my back. I don't know what I go do, because you don't tire me. I am just tired. You know, fun things that this morning I felt like crying. I actually cried a little bit, just like one tear drop, and then I cleaned off my face and then sucked everything in times like this, I don't like crying for shit. I don't like crying at all for any reason, because I know God's got my back. Okay, God has me. And minor things like this cannot make me cry. Devil, you have to try harder, because you can like to play with my confidence, but guess what? Because I don't care. I actually don't give 2-1-0 fucks. So it's what we have. I just felt like recording this video because I was too lazy to read, and I've spent 10 minutes or 11 minutes out of what I meant to read. So Good luck to me in exam. I pray God will help me. 5.0 is my portion in the mighty name of Jesus. No weapon fashioned against me shall prosper. No weapon fashioned against my family and friends shall prosper. It is forever well with everybody. Whoever I've come in contact with in this life, Lord, please protect them, guide them, be with them, Lord, in the mighty name of Jesus. Continue to be